In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to send emails from Hubspot CRM. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hubspot.com. This will take you to their main site, where you can access all the incredible tools HubSpot has to offer for your business needs. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. You'll find the login button located prominently at the top right of the screen. Clicking here will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If for any reason you've forgotten your password, HubSpot provides an easy way to retrieve it. Just click on Forgot Your Password and follow the prompts. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage everything related to your account. From here, navigate to the marketing section. This tab is typically located on the main navigation bar right at the top. Hovering over it will reveal a drop-down menu. In that drop-down menu, you'll want to select Email. This will direct you to the hub where all your email marketing magic happens. Here you'll see a range of options, but right now we're focusing on creating a new email. Go ahead and click on Create Email. Entering this section, you'll find an option to create a beautiful personalized email and send it to a segment of your contacts. This allows you to tailor your message to a specific audience, making your marketing efforts more effective. So hit the button to proceed to the next stage. Once you've done that, hit Next to continue. This will bring you to a section where you can choose a template for your email. HubSpot offers a variety of templates that cater to different needs and aesthetics, so take some time to explore and choose one that fits your branding and style. This is an important step as the right template can enhance the impact of your message. After selecting your template, you'll land on the editing interface where you can tweak the content, images, and even the layout of your email. Spend some time here to craft a compelling message that speaks to your audience. Once edited, take a final look to ensure everything is as you want it to be. Finally, when you're satisfied with the email, click on Review and Send. This is your opportunity to double check all aspects of your email before it goes out. Make sure your recipient list is accurate and that all content is correct. Then confidently hit Send. And there you have it, a simple way to send emails with HubSpot CRM. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your email marketing campaigns right within HubSpot, ensuring you reach your target audience effectively.